Hi everyone, it's JJ here and welcome or welcome back to Be Colorful. Also today I'm gonna propose you a very simple card using stamps and dies from the Tonic Craft Kit 54. So let's get started right away. First of all, on a 4 by 5¼ inches panel, I'm going to draw a horizontal line. Then I'm gonna mark the center and the center again between this point and the right side. Same thing on the other side. I marked these 3 points in order to make a straight and equidistant stamps. You can skip this part and stamp without any of those marks, if you prefer. Then I proceeded to stamp 3 pots with the stamp included in the kit, centering the middle of the pot with the point I marked. As an ink, I'm using VersaFine Onyx Black, which is a slow drying ink. This feature allows me to do a heat embossing with a clear embossing powder. Okay, now I'm going to color the pot with my alcohol markers. I'm using 2 warm grays. With the lighter one, I'm going to color the whole pot. With the darker one, I color the shadows. I repeat several times to better saturate the color. After this very basic coloring, I'm going to prepare the flowers for the pots by die cutting a flower on the yellow pearlescent paper. Then I'm going to die cut 2 more smaller flowers onto some white cardstock. And to give dimension to the flowers, I'm going to die cut for each flower 2 more times on black cardstock and another time on the mirror black paper. I glue the black flower one on top of the other, the black mirror die cut on the top. Finally, I glue the yellow flower slightly offset, thus obtaining a little shadow. I repeat the same thing for the white flowers. Now that all the flowers are ready, and after deciding how to place them, I'm going to draw the stems and leaves with a black pen. Then I glue everything. Well, since I don't like floating pots, I want them to have a ground. You can draw it with alcohol markers or simply cut out a strip of cardstock. I decided to die cut the black mirror paper with a stitch scalloped border die. I glue the ground and I move on to the sentiment, for which I decided to use a stamp included in the Tonic Craft Kit number 42. I think it matches very well with flowers. I heat embossing it with clear powder, just because I like this technique and in this way I get a glossy black effect which match the scallop border and the shadow of the flowers. The card is almost finished. I'm going to put the center of the flowers, for which I'm gonna use silver gems. Finally, I glue everything onto the card base. A landscape card in standard size, that's 4¼ by 5½ inches. To give dimension to the panel, I'm going to glue 2 layers of cardstock, I'm using scraps, on the back of the panel. Obviously, you can use foam tape if you prefer. Well, my friends, even this simple card is finished. If you like my videos, please leave me a thumbs up, a comment and subscribe to my channel. These small things will help my channel to grow, like these little flowers. You are the water and the sun for my channel. Thank you for stopping by, see you next time, bye bye and be colorful!